Okay, next up, I'm going to show you some pieces I picked up either at melt or right below. Okay, it's foreign silver. It's a great deal right now. It seems like dealers are sitting on a lot of this stuff, and I picked the best of what I could, and I took advantage of some mismarked, priced items. For example, the scrap dimes that you see here, these are all Canadian. Okay, this is all George the Sixth. I picked up some of these. These were, like in the 40s. They got the sailing ship on there, and I got these for 75 cents a piece. And there's two there, three. Let's see what that one is. That one's a QE2. There's four. Let's see, five. I've got a few of them here. 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so I picked up 8 of those, 75 cents a pop. You can't go wrong. Picked up a early 5-cent Edwardian piece. Actually, that's George V, I believe. Yeah, that's George V. Sorry. It's got all that tape and stuff. I got this one for 75 cents, 1920. And what we got here? George V again. These were 80% silver. So if you're looking for a good alternative, okay, regular U.S. dimes around this same age are selling for $2. Okay, still like right there, just a hair underneath spot or melt, whatever the case is. But these are much better of a bargain. So I got all these for 75 cents. Another George V. The earlier Edwardian pieces, by the way, from the teens and under, are sterling. They're 0.925, so that's something to keep in mind if you see those in the junk box or whatever. And let's see, I got a 1941 Newfoundland, 10 cent. There's a reason why I put this one in here. It's low mintage. Anything Newfoundland coming up from the Northern Territories and Canada, all low mintage with exception of the later dated cents. Okay, so the pennies. Okay, so that's what that one looks like. If you see one of these in a scrap box and it's real cheap, pick it up. The older Newfoundland from the 19th century, of course, those are going for absolute mad money right now. I got a Japanese 100 yen. Okay, got this one for $2, 1959. That's what that looks like. Pretty cool coins. I tell you, the foreign silver that's selling for a ton of money right now is anything Chinese. The Fat Man dollars, the junk dollars, I think they're the same, but those things were selling for ridiculous money for what they are, even the later date ones. And I also picked up a couple of these ever popular 500 lira. Okay, I think I got that right finally, especially after owning a few of these. This is kind of like a commemorative piece because this is what it typically looks like right here. I mean, these are cool coins, If I'm not mistaken, I think these are 80% also. But I got these for $8 a piece, and they're spectacular, full luster, and they're a popular design, for a lot of foreign coin collectors. So this is the 1961 commemorative type for this year. In the same way, with our 1976 bicentennial, they change the design up. Okay, and this one's got the horses with the chariot, and it's 100th anniversary for whatever that is. I think a professional Italian coin collector will shed more light into this. So there you go. So we got a couple of the liras, 100 yen, the Newfoundland, and then all these dimes. I think all together I spent about $30. I mean, it's crazy. And there's easily, 1.5 ounce of silver sitting right here. So I definitely made out. I wouldn't buy these with the intention of flipping them right away. I'm going to wait till silver goes up. I must feel it's going to go up because it's been kind of, we've endured the Mayan calendar shake-up which it really wasn't a shakeup. It was more of a puff in the wind, and precious metals dipped slightly as a result of nothing ever happening. Now they're starting to creep back up. They've gone up another couple dollars since the low, and since Christmas is over, and tax season's here. People's gonna have some more money, so they're gonna invest in more silver and gold and other precious metals. Thanks again, guys, for tuning in. If you have any questions, again, please don't hesitate to comment or send me a private message. I'm going to do the best I can to get back with you. Some of them, I get a lot of messages and notes, and, I'll admit that I don't get to them fast enough, but I will. Okay, thanks again for watching, and I appreciate your support.